Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm your clever money girl and today we will discuss how you can earn $1,000 easily just by writing reviews. In order to succeed in life and in all of our endeavors for the rest of our days, writing is one of the fundamental abilities that each of us has to possess, along with reading and speaking. You'll be thrilled to find that you may earn money using your most basic skill, which is writing. You've probably come across a number of methods for getting money that asks you to write for them in exchange for cash. Some of them could involve difficult writing assignments that demand technical expertise or prior knowledge. You shouldn't worry though, as this method is perfectly suited for newcomers like you who are just starting on the road to success and financial freedom. You only need yourself, your gadget, and an internet connection. That's right. Therefore, if you want to learn how to use this method, all you have to do is stay put and watch this video through the very end because it will have all the information you need to successfully use the method and quickly earn huge amounts of money. In this video, we'll talk about Capterra, a platform that aids business owners in selecting the best software for their enterprise. They may weigh their options, locate useful software, and even read reviews on how software benefits people all over the world. Take a peek around the website to get a real feel for it. Capterra is the best site in the world for software reviews and choices. It has the most in-depth source research of any website. Additionally, they are happy to provide 1 million free independently validated software reviews for business owners. So what will you actually do with Capterra? You're not a business owner and you're not searching for tools to help you expand or otherwise make use of your company. You will be one of the people that post reviews to the site to help those business owners now that you are aware that Capterra is the world's largest site for company owners to search for reviews and compare software products to determine which is best for them. You simply need to create a quick description of the software that you like. Just create an article in which you can discuss your thoughts on a specific piece of software and how it benefited you in your own particular way. In a few seconds, I'll lead you through a real-world example. But for now, click on this box that says Software Categories in top left corner of the screen. You will then see simple interface. I want you to select the Browse All Categories options. After that, you'll be taken to this website where you can browse a wide variety of software program categories that are embedded right here on Capterra. You can scroll down and look through the full collection to discover the software category you wish to review because the categories are arranged alphabetically. There are at least 100 categories here, so it will surely take you some time to decide which is ideal for you. This is a time-consuming process. In light of this, I'd like you to pay close attention to the sentence "Write a review" in the page's upper right corner. If you click on that, you'll be taken to the website where the journey of what you're about to do for today's method will begin. Your main responsibility for today will be to study the software products listed on this page. You can find the most well-liked applications right here because the collection is already classified by popularity. You should feel free to explore and browse to locate the best software to pursue. As I'm sure you are all familiar with the majority of these software packages, among the tools provided are Zoom, Asana, Viber, Canva, Project Center, and numerous others. Along this page you may load more items by clicking this gray button right here that says See More Products. So go ahead and choose the software program that you want to review. Since Viber is so well liked by users and I think my review will be favorable, let's check it out in this video. Anyway, are you still with me? If you do, that's awesome. If you want to improve your financial outlook, don't forget to subscribe to your Clever Money Girl. I post videos daily to help you get financially smart, and while you're at it, don't forget to click the like button and the bell icon to be notified whenever I post a new video. Let's go back to the video and say we want to submit a review for Viber. So do that right away. This video will be open so that we may start working on our review of the chosen platform. Simply complete the first page of the review form with your name, last name, email address, job title, employer's name, sector, size of the company, and the amount of time you spent using the software application. I strongly suggest you to use this choice right away if you need computer software for your workplace. You can choose from a vast number of job industries by clicking this arrow down button. Since the industry is built on computer software, you should pick that. You'll be viewed as a reliable user when your review demonstrates your familiarity familiarity with your computer software. This will pave the way for your review to be published, which will result in more money for you. When asked how long you've used the software, I suggest choosing 6 to 12 months or one of the choices from the list below that includes more years. Your opinion is more credible the longer you use Viber. You can easily respond on your own to the questions that follow. However, for this particular one where it asks what your role is, select I am a user checkbox. When you've finished the first page, click the next button in the lower right corner to proceed to the next. This page will be quite simple because all you need to do is leave a good review of Viber, rate its many features and services, only meet upper spectrum stars, preferably about 7. After you're through, click the next button to proceed to the third and final page, which will contain the rest of your review. The title of your essay is the first thing you must write. It might be anything like my evaluation of Viber, or you can be more imaginative and come up with your own title. Simply respond to all the following inquiries regarding the benefits and drawbacks of the software, as well as your overall experience using it. The positive aspects of Viber are all its advantages, and its negative aspects or areas for improvement are its drawbacks. Finally, the answer to the following query will affect the entire experience. What business issues are you using Viber to resolve? You may also explain how you utilize Viber and how it worked for you in general. Simply respond to the following questions after finishing and then click the submit button. Your review is now being considered, and once it is published, which I have no doubt it will be, you may start earning money. What do you think about this easy money making video? Please share them in the comment section below. And also, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please subscribe to the channel so you can see all of the videos we will be releasing in the coming days, weeks, and months. And that's it for this video. If you learned anything new, please leave us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and get financially smart with your Clever Money Girl. See ya!